All right, Chrysler Pacifica, I believe '07. This one is '07. Problem on this is the blower motor. Uh, the guy saying we have been having a conversation for 10 minutes, and he's saying that 6 months ago it start acting up. Sometimes it will start, sometimes won't. He had to bang the motor underneath here on the glove box, and sometimes it will start, sometimes it doesn't. So look at that, it start. Well, in this case, for a bit, it start. So all right, what we're gonna do is I'm just still gonna change this, because eventually the motor will not work. So he's told me 6 months ago, taking his kid to work or school, it doesn't start the blower motor. So he waited for a couple minutes, and eventually it started on his own. So that's good. And then after that, a month ago, it started working again. So now he's just sick of it, of not working all the time. So I'm gonna change this for him. It's right there, you don't have to take anything out, just exposed right there. And he bought a replacement online from Amazon Prime, and this is the brand new one. We're gonna match this to the original one and make sure it's the right one before installing it. So yeah, let's get it going. Okay, here's the old one. If you can see, there's three screw holes, so we use Phillips screwdriver to take out the old one. All right, correction on that Phillips screwdriver. It's a Torx. This is what I use. Number, what is T20 for those three screws, one in the front and two in the back. Okay, loosen up and then just use the hand to take the rest of the bolt, and then two more at the back. So it's pretty hard for me to do this with one hand, so I'll show you in a bit. Okay, this is the last screw, the one that close to the firewall on the passenger side. This is what's my setup here. An easy way to take out the bolts in the back. Can't use that socket torque. So what I did is a bit T20 with a flex joint and a kind of like a screwdriver type handle, and then just make sure the angle is straight up, and then just keep spinning just like that. Just kind of awkward area, and the angle it's not that great. So here's my setup. All right, all the bolts are out, so let's move this. Probably the best to take out the connector, the wire connector. All right, I got the wire that connects to the blower motor. It's out, so let's just see if I can pull this from an angle. Let's get caught on the carpet here. It's pretty tough to work with one hand. All right, here we go. Alright, we're gonna compare the old one to the new one. So it looks good to me. This is just a cover. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. Yeah, right there, right here, and right there. Looks good. Yeah, I think looks about right. This is where the air goes in, and it air goes in here, and it will blow out from the inside out. This one don't have that, so I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. The connector looks right. Alright, let's put this back in. Alright, just make sure before putting the new motor in, just check, make sure that there's no debris or twigs or any dirt in there. So it looks good to me. So let's put the new motor back in. Make sure remember which way. Remember the connector is facing the fender side, the outside. It was like this. So alright, here we go. Alright, all the screws are all bolted down and tightened up, all 3 screws. So let's just connect the wiring this side. Come on. Alright, finally got a better light here instead of the flashlight. So I got the new one in. Make sure the connector gives me a little bit of trouble. The connector for the power and ground the motor, make sure it's all pushed in there, that it's not gonna come off. So she's tight. Alright, let's turn on the power here. It's a lot faster than before. That's a good sign. Yeah, sounds faster and sounds like more air. Sounds like there's more air coming out on the vent. That's max. So alright, so that one's good. It's pretty easy to fix. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.